How to see who's logged into your Instagram account. Now, the very first thing to verify or check if who's logged into your Instagram account is to click on your profile icon, click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now we just have to go to Account Center and scroll down to tap on Password and Security. Now we just have to tap on where you're logged in and click on your account. Let's say right here, and you will be able to see which devices or whose devices are currently logged in on your account. So if you see any suspicious kind of device that you don't really recognize, or if you see any device that is not yours but is currently logged into your Instagram account, all you have to do is, let's say, this right here. To log them out of your Instagram account, you just have to tap on Log Out, and you will automatically log out this device to your account, and then you're done. So that's how to see who's logged into your Instagram account.